This dance is called I Can Dance Dance. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot with some heel switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, then step the right back beside the left. Weight is now back on that right. You repeat with the left foot. So you touch that left heel forward, then weight on it. Bring the left back beside the right and put the weight on it. And we're going to do that twice more. So right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right. So 4 heel switches. Do that set of steps once more off on that right. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel and heel and. You are swapping your heels, right, left, right, left. You're then going to go into some side touches. So you're going to step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, so there's no weight on that left foot, it is just resting there. And as you do that touch step, you are going to clap. You're going to then step the left back to the side, touch the right beside the left, so again, no weight on that right foot, and you're going to clap twice this time, clap, clap. You're then going to step the right diagonally back to the right, step the left, or touch the left beside the right, and clap once. Step the left diagonally back to the left, touch the right beside the left, and clap twice. That set of steps once more then. Side touch off on that right. 7, 8. Side touch, back, touch, back, touch. So remember it's 1 clap, 2 claps, 1 clap, 2 claps. Let's add that to the top. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, back touch. Add on a couple of vines. So we're going to vine to the right, stepping the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. And then vine back to the left. So start with that left foot, it's in that touch position, no weight on it. Step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, 2 vines, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Heel switches up on the right. 7, 8, heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch. Add on a rocking chair. So your left foot is now going to be your pivot foot. It is not going to move. Your right foot goes forward as you rock onto it. Recover your weight back onto that left foot. Then move the right foot back as you rock back on that right and recover your weight back on that left. So really important with this rocking chair that that right foot moves from the front to the back as you rock forward and back. But your weight has to go back onto that left foot, which is your pivot foot, so that you'll be on the right foot when you move on to the next set of steps. Which is to step the right forward, and then bounce your heels 3 times, making a quarter turn to the left. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So you should now end up facing the side wall. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair off on that right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, bounce, bounce, bounce. end a dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, bounce, bounce. So that is your dance. And it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, 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 heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, 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 heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, bounce, bounce. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, 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 heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, 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 heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, 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 heel and heel and heel and heel and side touch, back touch, side behind, side behind, side touch, rocking chair, step, bounce, 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 heels, side touch, vines, rocking chair, heels, side touch, vines, rocking chair, heels, side touch, vines, rocking chair, heels, side touch, vines, rocking chair. Hope you managed that one.